All right, now we're doing 7Q build a square. This is by Capocaccia, and 91% of people like it. Capocaccia is going to give us an integer. We're going to give him back a shape that is as long and wide as the integer. The integer will be a whole number between 1 and 50. Example, n equals 3, so Capocaccia expects a 3 by 3 square back block just like below as a string. All right. So basically, we're just going to build stuff with plus signs, right? Not that difficult. So right here, we'll say const to make it concise syntax. And here we go, a little equals integer, and there we go. So we're going to say console.log so we can test as we go. And right here, we're going to start off by using the repeat method. And the repeat method constructs and returns a new string which contains a specified number of copies of the string on which it was called concatenated together. So we're going to say plus sign dot repeat, and then the count is going to be the integer. All right. So let's do that. Plus sign dot count dot repeat and integer. All right. Now we're also going to have to add in these line breaks right here. So we're going to say plus backslash in, backslash in inside of quotes, right? Now that we've got that, now we're going to have to repeat this setup right here, integer amount of times. Let's test this out to see what we got right now. Yeah, here's 8 things right here. Now let's go like this. Let's say fill this thing up. Say dot repeat, and we're going to say integer again. All right, test it out. Looks like what we're looking for, right? Let's take the console.log out of here. Test it out. Oh, what's wrong here? Could it be we've got one line break too many? So we're going to use this trim method right here, which removes white space from both ends of a string and returns a new string without modifying the original string. White space in this context is all the white space characters. So space, tab, no break, space, etc. Inside of this etc. is line break. And all the line terminator characters, I didn't know those were a thing. We'll probably learn about those later. Anyway, so let's say dot trim, just like that. Do we need anything else in there? No. Let's test it out. All right, attempt it. There we go, submit it. Very much like this one. Let's go to My Solutions. Just the two of us, me and Ruta right here. Best practice in my opinion. Let's go check this one out over here. Pretty much looks exactly like this, except for instead of doing in, we kept it integer. But there we go, and we'll see you next time.